Hello, Alicia. Can you describe your daughter's attitude during this school year when she was working with NutriFit Cruise?
Hello, my daughter is a very enthusiastic person and she enjoys a lot of this project. I think that it's a great experience for her. It's a fantastic project.
Do you think that it is important that our children get involved in an European project?
Yes, I think that it's very important for they open her minds and they learn a lot of English, they know more things about other countries, and it's very interesting.
I think it's very important for my children to get involved in the European project. The children had the opportunity to learn about the nutrition and good eating habits and they exchange views with children from other countries. They work together, they make things and they speak better English.
Can you describe your son's attitude during this school year when he was working with NutriFit Cruise?
The attitude of my son during the year was very good, very happy. He was very happy when they communicate with other children. He liked using computers and acting and working in groups.
Hello, Mom. I would like to ask you two questions connected with our eTwinning project.
Okay.
Do you think it is important that your children get involved in an European project? Why?
Uważam, że jest to bardzo ciekawe, ważne przedsięwzięcie w życiu codziennym mojej Zuzi. A dlaczego? Dlatego, że poznała bardzo dużo ciekawych osób, śmiesznych sytuacji, a zarazem ciekawych oczywiście. No i zrobiła się bardziej otwarta na świat.
Can you describe your daughter's attitude during this school year when she was working with NutriFit Cruise?
Zuzia, moja córka jest teraz bardziej sumienna, bardziej interesuje się jedzeniem, odżywianiem, zdrowym odżywianiem, to co jest w składzie jedzenia, a także, tak mi się przynajmniej wydaje, więcej poświęca nauce języka angielskiego.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Hello, Lisenda. Good morning.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. I think NutriFit Cruise, this example in this school, it's a very great and good experience for them. First, because they have had the opportunity to develop a healthy and English project. They've worked hard, I think, and they have learned and enjoyed a lot in this project. Second, because they have had the opportunity to share a lot of experiences with another European students, in this case from Polish and Greek students. And third and finally, they have practiced a lot of English, and this is very good for them in the present and for their professional future. I am sure they will have improved their English level in this project. Congratulations for this project.
Thank you.
You are.
Yes, I think it is very important. Firstly, because they get the chance to study more in depth various subjects that they wouldn't have the chance to study as part of their normal school curriculum. And to achieve that, they need to collaborate effectively not only with their own classmates, but also with pupils from other European countries. And in order to do that, they need to use various ICT tools as well as the English language, and this helps them to become better acquainted and use more effectively and develop those skills, both in the ICT and the English language study.
Can you describe your daughter's attitude during the school year when she was working with NutriFit Cruise?
I would generally describe her attitude as very positive and enthusiastic. I can remember very well every time she got back home from school, she would often sit down in front of the computer and try immediately something new they learned, or she would try to get in contact with her new friends, her new collaborators, and she would often talk to me about what they learned and what they did, and she was it was very clear to her what the purpose of all that was, and she was very, very positive.